Areas under state of calamity as of October 27, 2024. Severe Tropical Storm Christine. Province of Albay, Province of Camarines Sur, Province of Camarines Norte, Municipality of Bulan Sorsogon, Province of Cavite, Province of Batangas, Municipality of Tagkawayan Quezon, Municipality of Maulani Quezon, Municipality of General Luna Quezon, Municipality of Santa Cruz Laguna, Municipality of Victoria Laguna, San Pedro City Laguna, Calbayog City Samar, Borongan City Eastern Samar, Municipality of Hipapad Eastern Samar, Municipality of Arteche Eastern Samar, Municipality of San Policarpo Eastern Samar, Municipality of Oras Eastern Samar, Municipality of Maslug Eastern Samar, Municipality of Dolores Eastern Samar, Municipality of Canavid Eastern Samar, Municipality of Taft Eastern Samar, Municipality of Sulat Eastern Samar, Municipality of San Julian Eastern Samar, Municipality of Maydolong Eastern Samar.